Back to adaptive quarantine, but in different lighter version compared to one that was in force last summer and autumn. Cafes and restaurants will be able to work up to midnight. The Cabinet of Ministers also allowed audience to be present at the stadiums during sport matches. This quarantine will last until April the 30th. Same way as in the summer and autumn, there will be 4 levels of epidemiological danger, with each of them having limitations, criteria and definitions. The decision will come into force next week. Therefore, all Ukrainians will be able to learn about adaptive quarantine and get ready. The green level of restrictions will be introduced if the number of cases of coronavirus is less than 5%. Yellow is the base one for the whole country. It will be allowed to hold cultural and entertainment events, but the premises should not be more than 50% full. It is also allowed to attend schools and universities, but the groups should contain no more than 20 people. And there will be no additional restrictions if the orange level is introduced. If we are talking about the orange level, then there should be an excess of one of the indicators. That is, if one of the indicators is high, the region is on the orange level. There is a corresponding decision of the head of works on liquidation of emergencies consequences that a region passes to orange level, and it is necessary to make an urgent decision so as not to get to the red level. If a red level is introduced, catering facilities, shopping and entertainment centers, cinemas, non-food stores and gyms will be closed. Next Monday, the red quarantine level will be introduced in the Ivano-Frankivsk region. Only over the past day, more than 600 new cases of COVID-19 were recorded there. Most of the hospitals in Ivano-Frankivsk region that treat patients with coronavirus are over full. A temporary mobile hospital with 250 beds will be opened in the region. If there is an opportunity, the mobile hospital will be opened and equipped on the base of Bohorchany Hospital. This will improve our situation. We're going to ask the Ministry of Health to send us doctors from other regions, because it is easier to transfer the equipment rather than people. Ukrainians support the adaptive quarantine, but they are against some restrictions.
I do not think it is useful because no one follows at these quarantine conditions. Everyone visits shopping centers. Children should be at school during quarantine, but they go to the stores.
Of course, restrictions are needed until the end of the heating season. When the heating season ends, they can cancel those restrictive measures. If you have an opportunity to work online, please work online. We all need to take care of ourselves.
I don't know, maybe it's right, but schools walk, kindergartens walk. It was reported that over the past day more than 5,000 new cases were confirmed, so apparently it is necessary. Probably we still need these restrictions. Let there be some restrictions. I think that they do not limit our possibility to walk in fresh air, so let them be.
The Ministry of Health notes that due to the previous quarantine restrictions, Ukraine is on the 34th place in Europe in terms of mortality from coronavirus. Reported by Vadim Kramer and Svetlana Sich, UATV News.